Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Zoho website builder. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you link or connect your Google Analytics to your Zoho website? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add Google Analytics into your Zoho website builder anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to track your users and see where the traffic is coming from. Whatever the case is a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Zoho Sites account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Zoho Sites and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and add Google Analytics to one of your sites, you need to choose the website first off. For me, I just have this one website. Now, before we go any further, I want to let you know that you have to have the Google Analytics code for this to work. If you need help finding your Google Analytics code, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. So this is assuming you've already copied the Google Analytics code. Once you have that here on the left side, what you're going to do is on the left side here, go ahead and click on configuration. Once you click there, you're going to see a drop down menu and you want to click on SEO. Once you click on SEO, you're going to see this menu at the top with 7 different options, but you want to click on Google Tools. Once you do that, you're going to see these little boxes. So here you can go ahead and look for this line right here, Google Analytics Measurement ID. So here is where you can go ahead and paste in your Google Analytics code. Once you've pasted it in, don't forget to click on save right here. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add Google Analytics to your Zoho website builder, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.